Hello, everyone. I'm meteorologist Sam Reichert with DeSotoCountyNewsroom.com. Glad to have you with us this morning. This DeSoto Weather Almanac brought to you by Pounders Repair. You can find them at 345 East Commerce Street in Hernando, right by the railroad tracks. They specialize in diesel repair and performance. Skies will be cloudy for the most part today. Maybe a little sun from time to time. Winds from the southwest 10 to 15 miles an hour. Our high today 88, low tonight 71. We'll have about a 40% chance of showers later on this afternoon also. Average high this time of year 89, average low 71. The record high on this date set in 1953 was 98 degrees, and that record low of 51 degrees set in 1917. No rain to report to you from my gauge over the last 24 hours. Sunrise today 5:45, sunsets at 8:16. You have 15 seconds more daylight today compared to yesterday.